Oh, hey! Want to get direct insights from Google experts on new APIs and best practices? Dive into the Android Conference Talks playlist on the Android Developers YouTube channel. You'll level up your skills to build incredible apps. Here are 4 recent talks. Have you ever wondered how Androidify is built? Learn about how Rebecca built the app from scratch in this video, giving you an example of AI-powered experiences on Android. Learn from Jeremy about navigating the future with Jetpack Navigation 3, a new navigation library designed to work with Compose. Learn from Aaron and Ash on how to enrich your app with live updates and widgets, covering new progress style templates and generated widget previews. And also, you can learn from me on how to optimize your app battery drain using new Android Vital metrics. That's just a small sample. There are so many more topics to explore. We hope you enjoyed this collection of technical content. Happy learning!